Hello guys, good morning. I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to change color of dress or jacket like this picture. You can see if you focus, I changed a color of jacket. It is just 7 copies of the picture, okay? With Adobe Photoshop, just follow me in the first step, going to Adobe Photoshop and click open, and now getting the original picture. So then going to the toolbar and getting the quick selection tool, okay, and making a zoom just for working. So just making here a board. So now when we make it a border, now going to the layer tool and going to here and going to the hue startation. So now you can change the color to any color, your favorite color, okay? So here you can get more colors, okay? So you can closing it to turn to the first color or original color, okay? I getting this color for example. So now you can here, so now here you can change the sharpness and contrast, you can see of the color, okay? So here you can change the brightness or light, okay? So now if you focus, when I selected or when I make it a border, my hand is selected and changed a color, okay? So for fix it, just going to the toolbar and getting the magnetic list tool. So focus with me now, just making a border for my hand, okay? And when we're making a border, okay, going to the toolbar and getting the eraser tool. So now just you can see the color is removed, okay? So if you want to removing a color from here, you can just getting a polynomials tool and just select and make a border. I just making a example, okay? So again you can remove the color like you see. And now if you focus, the plants is don't color it, okay? For fix it, just go to the brush tool, okay, and here, so you can change the size of brush tool. So now you can coloring it and you can make like me color, okay? So you can remove a color if you want, okay? And now you can see I color it, okay? The jacket, the all prints I colored, I recolored it. So now this video is come to end. Just you learn to how to coloring the all prints if not colored or not selected with a quick selection tool, or not make it a border for it. You can just using the brush tool to recolor, okay, the all plants. So this video is come to end. I wish you, if you liked, press the like button and share to another people's, and so subscribe to see another videos in soon time. So thanks for watching. But just if you want to save another copies with another color, just you can save on your files without change anything here. Just turn and change a color and get any color, so save again. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you in next time.